and see how you do. Only people with perfect color vision will be able to see these 8 words. Blues. This is one of the easiest photos on the test. It's basically a warm-up to get you going and so that you understand exactly how these tests work. If you're colorblind, you would not be able to see anything in this photo except for a blue square. People who are colorblind struggle to see certain colors. If you are blind to the color blue, you won't be able to see the word in this photo. If you have perfect color vision, you would know that inside the blue box is the word tree, green and yellow. The words in this photo are very difficult to see. If you're going to be able to read the word, you need to have perfect color vision and you need to focus very hard. After staring at the photo long enough, you might be able to see the word eat. If you can't see the word, don't feel bad. This one is tough. If you can read the word, good for you. Pinks and purples. This color vision photo is much easier to see than the previous one. If you have good color vision, you should be able to see the word boot in the middle. If you have poor color vision, you might only be able to see some light pink in the middle of the photo, but not the actual word. If you're colorblind, you might not be able to see the word or the color. Shades of pink. This color vision photo is relatively easy to see. If you have perfect color vision, you should be able to see the word sweet pretty clearly. If you don't, you might just notice that there are 2 shades of pink in the picture. If you're colorblind, you likely won't see anything but a pink square. Focus is important with this one if you're going to see the word. Shades of blue. This color vision test is difficult for some people. If you have perfect color vision, you might be able to read the word park in the middle of the blue square. If your color vision is not completely perfect, you may notice that there is a light pink inside the square. People who are completely colorblind to the blues won't see anything at all. Orange, the most difficult of all the tests. Of all the color vision photos on this list, this one is by far the most difficult. When many people look at the picture, they see a big orange square. Even if you focus as hard as you can, you may still not be able to see the word. Inside the square is the word love. If you're going to be able to see this word, you're going to need to have perfect color vision. If you can't see it, don't worry too much. Most people can't. Purples. This color vision photo is one of the more difficult ones. It may not be as hard as the previous orange photo, however, it can be difficult to make the word out. In the middle of the square is the word hat. People who don't have perfect color vision may be able to see the word if they focus hard enough and long enough. If you're colorblind to the color purple, you won't be able to see anything. The easiest photo in the test. Of all the photos on this test, this is the easiest one to make out. Even people who are colorblind are able to read the word bead. This photo doesn't even require much focus and concentration.